Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use the Baby Jogger City Select double stroller. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is my Baby Jogger City Select double stroller. As you can see, I have two seats on it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. It's actually fairly simple and straightforward. There are a few adjustments that you can make with the stroller, okay? The first adjustment, and I'm hoping that this is all going on camera. I'm doing my best to try and show you everything. The first adjustment is to the handle height over here, okay? So if you take a look at the handle, there's actually a little button over here, and if you press and hold that button down, you can raise the handle or lengthen it, or you can make it shorter. It all depends on your height and what you feel comfortable with. There are a few adjustments that you can make, as you see right there. Really easy to do, just like that, okay? So you can adjust the handle in that way. You just push this button in and then you make the adjustment. You release the button and make sure it's clicked in place. So you can see right here, it's clicked in place. You want to make sure that it's clicked in place before you start using the stroller, okay? There's also, I'm going to try and turn it around over here. There's also sort of like a, I guess you'd call it like a parking brake right here. So right now when it's pulled towards you, okay, it's parked in place. So I'm pushing it and it's moving, but the wheels are not turning. I'm just kind of skidding it around, as you can see over here, okay? To release the parking brake, you want to make sure there's no pressure. Don't be pushing on it and try and release that brake, okay? Make sure there's no pressure. You want to pull up on these little parts of the lever, okay? And then bring it towards the front of the stroller, and then you can now move it. When you want to engage it again, you take that brake and you just pull it up and it clicks in place. And then as you can see, we have the parking brake engaged, okay? So those are the first couple things. The next things are to adjust the seats, okay? Now, I don't have any adapters other than the pegs over here. So I'm just seeing if you can get this on camera. I'm gonna move this a little bit further back. But the only things that I put on here right now are these pegs over here. So these pegs right here are what I have right now to allow another seat to go over here. They just clip into place over here with this little button right here, okay? Prior to this, when my kids were younger, I had like the actual baby seats, and you need an adapter for that to work with the specific baby seat that you have. Infant seat, I believe it's called, the small bucket seats for babies, okay? So, and I believe that we had the car seat, as far as I remember, we had the car seat that was able to also go on the stroller. So we could take our bucket car seat and we could put on the stroller with an adapter. So for moving, and that's just a side note, right? Just so you know what's going on here. To move the seats, there are these two little buttons over here, okay? Two little buttons over here. I'm gonna show you. I'll bring the camera here and I'll show you. There's two little buttons here, okay? You have to push both of these down at the same time, and then you can raise the seat out of place, okay? And then you can adjust it however you want to adjust it. So if I push these buttons down, I can raise the seat out and I can just remove it, or I can adjust it. Let's say I wanted to do a single seat facing the other way. I could pull them out and I could do this seat facing this way over here, okay? Just like that. So you can make any adjustments that you want to at this point. I could do this seat facing this way as well. At this point, if I wanted to, I could do something like that, right? So it kind of all depends on what you want to do. And then the last thing I want to show you about using it is to fold it up. So you want to obviously remove all the seats and make sure that everything is out of the actual stroller. And there are these two little handles on the sides. Take a look right here. You see there's one handle that says fold, and then the other one over there it says fold as well. So those two handles on the sides. To fold it up, it's really, really easy to do. Let me make sure my camera's not going to fall over because it's on the hood of my truck right now. You just you grab onto those handles and you pull up on them just like this. But when you pull up, it's going to sort of unlock, and you pull it in the air like that. And then you fold it up, and that's it, just like that. You can walk away like that, looking so cool. That's it. You can go ahead and load it into your vehicle or put it in your garage or your house or wherever you're putting it. And then to bring it back, you just do the opposite. So you just unfold it, okay? And when you hear it lock in place, I always like to just make sure it's good to go. Make sure it's nice and fully opened and it's not going to collapse or anything like that. It's not going to fold by itself. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.